day everyone, I'm Marlon from BSMA 2 and we're going to solve about loop circuit. So in a circuit, we have a 16 volts, R1 is equal to 2 ohms, R2 is equal to 47 ohms, R3 is 56 ohms, R4 is 89 ohms, and R5 is 90 ohms. So for loop 1, we have this diagram and we're going to use the formula V sub 1 minus R1 times I1 minus I3 minus R2 times I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. Substitute the given 15 volts minus 2 ohms times I1 minus I3 minus 47 ohms times I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. And distribute the 2 ohms and 47 ohms. So 15 volts minus 2 ohms I1 plus 2 ohms I3 minus 47 ohms I1 plus 47 ohms I2 is equal to 0. And we're going to add the same terms. So 2 ohms I1 plus 47 ohms I1 is equal to 49 ohms. So 15 volts minus 49 ohms I1 plus 47 ohms I2 plus 2 ohms I3 is equal to 0. So we're going to transpose the 49 ohms I1 plus 47 ohms I2 minus 2 ohms I3 and it is equal to 15 volts. So our loop 1 here is 49 ohms I1 plus 47 ohms I2 minus 2 ohms I3 equals 15 volts. So for loop 2, we're going to use this diagram and we're going to use the formula R2 times I3 minus I1 plus R3 times I2 minus I3 plus R4 times I2 is equal to 0. So substitute the given 47 ohms times I2 minus I1 plus 56 ohms times I2 minus I3 plus 89 ohms times I2 minus is equal to 0. So we're going to distribute the 47 ohms. So 47 ohms I2 minus 47 ohms I1 plus 56 ohms I2 minus 56 ohms I3 plus 89 ohms I2. And we're going to add the same term. So the 47 ohms I2 plus 56 ohms I2 so is equal to 192 ohms I2. So this is going to be negative 47 ohms I1 plus 190 ohms I2 minus 56 ohms I2 is equal to 0. And that's our loop. And so for loop 3, we're going to use this diagram. We're going to use the formula R1 times I3 minus I1 plus R3 times I1 minus I2 plus R5 times I3 is equal to 0. Substitute the given, so 2 ohms times I3 minus I1 plus 56 ohms times I3 minus I2 plus 90 ohms times I3 is equal to 0. And distribute the 2 ohms and the 56 ohms. So 2 ohms I3 minus 2 ohms I1 plus 56 I3, the 56 ohms I3 minus 56 ohms I2 plus 90 ohms I3 is equal to 0. And add the same terms. So we're going to add the 56 ohms I3 plus 90 ohms I3. And that would be equal to 148 ohms I3. So negative 2 ohms I1 minus 56 ohms I2 plus 148 ohms I3 is equal to 0. And that's our loop 3. To get the delta, we're going to use the matrix method. So we're going to input the loop 1, loop 2, and loop 3. So 49 and negative 47 and negative 2 from loop 1 and negative 47, positive 192, negative 56 in loop 2, and negative 2 and positive 56 and positive 148 in loop 3. So that would be equal to 900,492. And to get the delta 3, we're going to and negative 56 to 0, and 148 to 0. And that would be equal to 47,240. So, to solve for I3, we're going to use the I3 is equals to delta 3 over delta